Bema wofefo woni Livia Bogan pacho Appiah Stadium me pacho me voice boma ni penyina antimadene hwe if you say Ghana bag Ghana 1992 constitution Ghana ye dey ho the weakest parliament parliament we 137 130 years 137 plus independent hwe unim nipa akoso Ghana pass our parliament we minority miamen this for let bahali na dusu committee ofola finance minister nyese bia onye onu an MP for the back say wasisa Ghana sika gugu na bank eno de danchen e betima say obi omu propose no obi anya bi na anso but NDC message jo forum kotra to Forson ne omu kotra ho nyame anim se Ghana se mo amia anya kefoni am e bi ni to sa message jo both MPP and NDC message jo fo we mu a tse omu ye guasefo tse omu ye guasefo omu sika ode no ma betra TV so no news obi ku NDC and MPP who pay back dey say adena Appiah say we NDC na odi Mahamachia odi pakro no enya abama ne pa kai say me ye wade wu wiase bi e me say me jofo no mienu no MPP and NDC in parliament no omu ye smart omu kan kure wo bi afo ni ntom omu ye atrofo ankasa omu ye atrofo for that time sama no agye dem NDC MP out now wo mu agye dem say yinturu no so agye dem bi.
All right, tia come now
and them about life any break they get I'll come live for you people. Well, let me sound this warning and let me tell NDC people say me say the days now na mo be ka kire say Jerry John Rollins or ye broni enti ento abama no that time the table mutie me say NDC for sad time na mutie na mo de bentoa e de ko cheche e de win election no etwamo and the Ghana nkoda ko free education no bia fie graduate mako free hoba utie and the Ghana fie bia mu no at least ye wa collab akubia oko school e dia better the family. Now the more educated people we have in Ghana, NDC will cry blood. The more free education prevails, the more guarantee free students loan prevails for people to go to universities to study and learn. No, NDC will cease to be a political party in Ghana. Because this is a very shallow-minded, evilly made, consciously unaware of their environment, and they claim said they are the best. Sometimes I wonder what people gain from being NDC people like me Mentiasia, me say me samai me wo crowd me would down no me dead body crowd will never join NDC. Cause I yakwasiampa for party. I'm very serious. It is a very unserious, not worth mentioning, very stupid political party is NDC. Say, oh, come baby, now most smart say go and look for a foolish party and bring. Now which year NDC for? Take them. That is the most foolish party ever. It is a party that do not learn from their mistakes. And I always say this. NDC is a stupid party that does not learn from their mistakes. As the Proverbs goes, kwasia shua eni etia sumprenu. Na se NDC fwa ye nyansafo san kwasia de ye namu koye mo kwakoye sa de no Supreme Court 2020. Mwa wini mo fa evidence mra man famba. And you people have used the same bullshit. Here say, oh, and Piak for say, and Auditor General say, and a one say, and a one say. More used to the same one say now, and the above the same committee. So my young say, indeed, NDC is the most stupid, foolish party to ever exist on the planet Earth. A mistake you did in 2020, the reason why you lost the election petition. You come to the same committee of a vote of censure. You dilingly need to see the final.
GHQR code. It's easy like that. It's easy like that. You want to pay and receive and you want them free. It's easy like that. GHQR. It's easy like that.
finance minister off, and you go and repeat the same. We don't have the evidence. Oh, and yes, idea, there is in the car, yes, you are using the same bullshit to try to censor someone who is a minister of state. Now, me today, I've been up since 2 a.m. Canada time. I have been up since 2 a.m. Canada time. Now, me 9. And I was expecting, say, Andra, did they not end this for bet now? Oh, yeah. Oh, Alpha, you're solid. Oh, solid Alpha. Oh, solid Alpha. Oh, solid Alpha. And not yet, the tools the solid Alpha gave these Boca NDC people, they were not able to use it. That is why I said, any smart thinking person would not join NDC. And yes, I know you be you fear for you. If you are a smart person and you are a member of NDC, it is clearly shows to say, Ebusuafone the way you draw, Ebusuafone the way you schedule, what you need Juma, we are Jimmy for. You people are there, want to censor a minister, you no problem. Then you compound so many grounds, illegally and deliberately paying this, illegally and this. You people use all words, or every word in the planet, you used it. We gave you the chance to. Now the time has come for you people to go and substantiate those names and those deliberate, illegal and stuff you did. Go and defend it so that your useless members, the NDC, Jimmy Fua who follow you, can take some consolidation inside. You people went there, kept dancing in circles. Question that is supposed to be for GNPC, you are asking the finance minister. Question that is supposed to be for Bank of Ghana, you are asking the finance minister. I sat here on my page when this one a dollar into finance minister and I told most of you people, including my own MPP people, say changing the finance minister wouldn't bring the current rate down because it is not the finance minister that's what determines what rate we sell the dollar or we sell the cedi. In any case, Bank of Ghana is the constitutionally mandated office when it comes to our forexes, stabilizing or letting it work. However, they do this with consultation with advice from the finance ministry. But Krobia, it is your central bank that deals with your currency. It is only in Ghana because of a Jimmy phobia sebi ye nim baby and Yankupon conform de befra Ghana. A Jimmy for NDC phobia yama wo mo kwan ba ye de. Wo mo de o mo si no. Now there say sebi forest you ho ye de a yanya den yamfa nkoshe finance minister. Meanwhile, under Setekpe, the cedi depreciated by what? By 18 to 17%. We did not sack Setekpe. When everybody, even everyone was saying, say, Mahama, Setekpe and so new, Mahama said, Setekpe was his best performing minister. Messi ND say, Yakwasampa for party. And Omenya Tintinto flag bearer, Mahama, Edio. A man who doesn't see anything positive. Ofui, who doesn't see anything positive. He talks about hardship, yet he's pumping money into a stupid boy called Kevin Taylor, who is now the one who is controlling NDC. As an NDC member, you are not ashamed. Say, a whole political party is being controlled in somebody's basement in Virginia, USA.